वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकीन. आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता. Yes, today I am going to show you all how to make chicken Bafat curry, Goan chicken Bafat curry. And if you have not seen my video of how to make Bafat masala powder, then please check on my YouTube cooking channel or comment on the comment section and ask for Bafat masala powder. So this is my homemade Bafat masala powder, and this will go for this 1 kg 200 gram of chicken. So you it is like 1 kg. I will show you. So it is 208 grams. Okay, here it is, and it costed me 270 rupees. 224 is a kg for a chicken, whole chicken. So this we are going to use, and we will use vinegar. That is 1 tablespoon of vinegar to this. Goan vinegar, homemade, which you get in Mapsa market or anywhere. It is palm vinegar. Salt to taste. And we will marinate this and keep aside till we fry our other ingredients. Our masala powder is ready. So this is quick and instant. If you don't have time, then in the market it is easily available. Bafad masala powder you can buy. So what else we need is 6 green red chilies and 4 chopped onion or sliced onion or chopped onion. That is 4. It was so big, and it will be like quarter kg, you can say. And these are like 4 tomatoes, few curry leaves, and our crushed garlic. So in that Bafat masala powder, everything is there. Ginger is there, garlic is there, but still I want garlicky flavor, that's why I'm adding more. If you don't want, you can omit it. You can just not add it. So 1 tablespoon of oil, and we will add our curry leaves in this. So these are tender curry leaves, so I will add whole into this. And our garlic and the chilies. Once the rawness goes of the garlic, we will add our onion. Fry this nicely. Now we'll add tomatoes. Fry this nicely. Now we will add our Bafat masala. So for this, the entire whatever I have showed, it's like around 4 tablespoons of Bafat masala will go. And in this Bafat, we also need, our main ingredients is coconut juice. Okay, so we need 1 coconut juice. So we need thick coconut juice of 1 whole onion, and whatever remaining, like you can keep like a thin juice, like very thin, that is like half cup. Add salt to this, and remember we have also added salt to our chicken. So the masala is fried nicely. Now we will add our chicken to this. Mix this nicely. And we'll add the thin juice of coconut and cook this till the chicken is cooked nicely. Mix this. We'll check the salt and everything afterwards. Now just close this and cook this till our chicken is cooked. Now we will add our coconut juice and 1 cup of water to this. Okay, small cup, or as per your desire gravy, how you want. So now let's mix this nicely, and we'll add 1 cup of water. So that our chicken gets cooked nicely in the flavor of coconut juice. And cover this, and now let it cook for 20 minutes on low flame. So here is our Goan Bafat chicken curry is ready. So we'll garnish it with coconut while serving. Chicken is cooked nicely. So hope you all will enjoy this. Hope you all will enjoy this curry and make it in your recipe when you are making. Try this Goan Bafat curry, that is chicken Bafat curry. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां सगल्यांक हे आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलीं. Enjoy करा. Thank you. So this gravy is enough for me. So if you want more thicker, then cook this for a while. But yes, our chicken is cooked nicely. Thank you.
Yummy tasty chicken Bafat curry made with homemade Bafat masala powder. Try it at your home.